Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's not a trailer, a snippet of one of next week's episodes that we see, and I'm just like, Selegu. We see Ingatum Selug is having a conversation no Snare, you guys, and he's asking Usnare ukuthi akayombathisa ulokuzana uSamke. But some ceremony is going to be done for uSamke. I don't know if it's the lobola or what exactly is going to be done, but he's asking ukuthi uSamke must dress up ulokuzana. He's asking Usne ukuthi she must dress up uSamke, like put the duke on her, the clothes and whatnot. I'm just like, and Usne that time she looks happy because guys, I mean Usne has been longing for a father's love. So it just made me feel somehow ukuthi Mselegu, are you using Usne to your benefit ngoba nakho uyazi ukuthi vele Usne uzokujabulela lokho because anyway, she wants to gain favor with her father because I mean, you've been telling her she's been disappointing you. Now my question is, guys, the job ulokuzana uMusa is asking Usne to do, is that not a job that's supposed to be done by one of the wives? Or at least his sister. Where's Umusa's sister, by the way? The sister, the one who was married into a polygamous family and then polygamous man and then she divorced or something like that. Where's the sister? Or isn't it supposed to be done by like an aunt or something like that, but not Usne? The thing that even makes it strange, Usne, when she said when Samke was coming to be introduced to Maxele SC Park, Snare said it in front of Umusa ukuthi uyamazi uSamke. So why would you then make Usne, who's practically like intanga kaSamke, to do that job? I feel like number one, it looks like a desperate move because it's like, is there not anyone else, guys, who can do it? And I'm just thinking, I don't understand why would he give Usne that toss, because I'm like, I'm sure there's someone from the Mselegu, the Mtombeni, the Mselegu family or the Duma family who would be more than willing to do that job. But not only that, I do kind of feel like indirectly it is disrespecting the wives, because if that is something that is, or if it's a job that's meant to be done by the wives, I feel like Umusa's indirectly saying, would you okay, if none of you guys want to do the job that you're supposed to do, it's fine, I can replace you guys in Jake Anjalo. Like the show is gonna go on whether you guys play your part or not. I'm just like, nah, guys, there's something, the way it looks shashanga corner, there's something that is not adding up here. But you know what? We eventually will find out. So what was the rush? If it's not this season, it will definitely be next season where we will hear is cut. But I do have a feeling uchu unokuzana uMakhumalo, I feel like she's keeping quiet about a lot of things. And I feel like uMakhumalo is that type of person where she knows a lot of people and people come and tell her information. Because guys, have you noticed that most of the times uMakhumalo will have information that she shouldn't be having? And it's not even by virtue of Umusa telling her, because it looks like now Umusa hasn't been telling her much things. But I'm just like, I feel like uMakhumalo knows some things, angazi ukuthi abomakhelwane, abangani, because she does look up like a person othandwayo, guys. And I'm just like, no, we will hear the truth of the story ukuthi yindaba urashwa kangaka. And why are you giving Snare that toss? Because it just seems as if you are using Snare just because there's not much people in your corner, or maybe when this in last minute, it looks like you are using Snare because you know very well Usne will be more than happy to do that task. Unless Samke, will she not feel disrespected? Because I will definitely feel disrespected by one of your children who's more or less my age. But then again, guys, we will never know because listen, ugelo ufuna ukungena cabanga nawe you are being hidden. When you go to the hospital, bayakutshela nesilungu sakho ukuthi hey isilungu sakho asime kancane. You are told ukuthi you mustn't call your man ubaby. hey, emabhekeni ayibo kuningi. I'm just like, at this point, Samke, I don't know. Ukuthi, like, are you just going to, maybe it's those type of things ukuthi hayi kuyafana, amadoda ayafana, angizinikele kumselo, at least there's a benefit there than taking ipara nje that's just going to impregnate me and not even support the child. And guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.